weekend. Let's do it.
Jeez.
But I like them. It is almost around 2 p.m. and I've shifted to my bed just because I wanted to get comfortable. Initially I was feeling, oh, do I even have energy to edit? But I just love editing. I like shooting videos, I like shooting vlog, but also I love editing my learning series videos. I think it is such a good way to let my creativity out, to understand, okay, what kind of visual will work, what kind of b-roll will work, what kind of creative thing I can add here to make it engaging. Yeah, I just wanted to say that, yeah, I'm really enjoying doing my work. I'm really enjoying working on my vlog, and I'm telling this because there are times when I think, okay, am I getting bored of this? Am I really enjoying this, or I'm just doing it because for likes or numbers? And for example, my last vlog, when I went out and shot, I had put a lot of efforts on that video, and last few weeks were super busy. I was working on a weekend and I just got one holiday, and I used that holiday to shoot a video because I wanted to show something different, and that video didn't do well. So I was like really questioning, like, why did I waste it that one day? I could have just relaxed, chilled, instead of going out and shooting when the video was not even working. So I was just thinking that isn't even worth doing all this effort. But when I edit and I enjoy doing it, then I realize that I'm not actually doing this entirely for numbers. Yes, numbers matter, but at the same time, I really like doing this. This is so fun. So yeah, just wanted to tell you that, and I'll go back to editing for the last few hours, but now I'm just gonna take a break to pack everything. So I have laid out all my stuff by days, my makeup, everything, and now let's pack it. I was doing some work for my workshop and look at the mess. Felt like I was back in the classroom doing art and craft. It's almost 10. I've been editing non-stop from around 7 p.m. I've been editing non-stop from 7 p.m. because I really wanted to complete this video before I leave because I'm not carrying my laptop. I think the video is done. Is it the best video that I've edited? No, but will it do for this week? Yes, because consistency over perfection. I'm not gonna kill myself in perfecting this video, and I'm gonna delay it. So it will go live this week. And I think I'm gonna sleep now. I have to get up tomorrow morning early because there's still few things left to do, which I'm gonna do tomorrow morning. It is around 7:30 right now, and I've been running since morning. I've made my breakfast, but now I just have to get ready, and I have a list of two things that I need to pack, so I'll do that. We're ready to leave. It's so much luggage. I don't know how I'm gonna manage alone, but we'll see. We'll figure it out. I'm actually taking a tube to airport, so let's see.
It is a bank holiday today, and while most people are probably at home sleeping in, relaxing or enjoying the sunshine, I am at the airport heading off for work. And even though I'm traveling, today is a very much a work day for me. I've got a lot of things to prep. I always like to be the most prepared person in the room, so I'm gonna use every minute of the travel time to prepare for that. but I work with amazing team, great leaderships. All the extra effort I'm putting in today will be recognized and I'll be compensated probably on the last day of my travel. Over was in Amsterdam and I spotted a shop selling famous Troop waffles and I couldn't resist picking up a few for myself and my husband.
I just reached my hotel. It was such a hectic travel. I feel like all energy has been sucked out of me right now. It's around 5:15. I'm gonna take a bath because I think that's the only way I'll feel refreshed, and then I'm gonna order some in-room service because I have still some prepping to do, and I don't think I can go outside and do it. So I have arranged all my skincare also and makeup, and then I also have this bag. So this is done. Clothes and shoes and everything is arranged here. So this is also done. Finally, I took bath and finally I feel like human being. And my food is also here. It is smelling so nice. I have ordered some veg burger with fries and some coleslaw and can't wait to dig in. Around 7:30 and I thought I'll just walk around, explore the hotel. I also need some scissors to do some cutting for tomorrow, so we'll do that. And yeah, just explore a little bit. This is what I'm wearing. I look like a boy, but I'm too tired to dress up. Quick skincare and then go downstairs and get my breakfast, and then I come back and get ready. That way I won't spoil my outfit. I love this vitamin C serum by Sephora. This is what we are wearing. Again, we look like a boy, but let's quickly go and have our breakfast. It's 8:30. I am already running late, so I just have 15 minutes to quickly get ready and do my makeup. So I'm not gonna vlog, I'm just gonna go. And I am ready, just wearing my shoes. This is what I'm wearing. I'm wearing pants, my heels, and the waistcoat. I'm also gonna carry a blazer just in case. I'm carrying my shoes as well as a backup plan because I'm gonna be there till evening and I can't risk it. But not wearing earrings. I don't have time right now. I think I'm gonna wear them in the car. But now let's go. It's already late. Let's go.
I got there early because I wanted to set up the room and make sure everything was ready before people start arriving. But before the chaos began, I took a moment to grab a quick coffee. And for lunch, while everybody went down and had proper meal, I had fruits because I didn't want to feel sluggish. Fast forward 9 hours, here we are heading out for dinner. It was incredibly hectic day.
Can't wait to go home. Oh, that was such a intense day. I think it's around 10:16. I will quickly remove my makeup and just sleep because tomorrow we have to start quite early. I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but the dinner went till quite late because it's the only time where you get to like informally discuss a lot of things with the clients. So dinners are always a good opportunity to network and all that jazz, and that's what we were doing. So it took forever, and today I was just presenting whole day, standing on my feet. So I'm like damn tired, but at the same time, I think the workshop went well. We had a lot of activities planned. The client was happy. There was not many challenges, which is good when you're closing a project. And want to make sure that I have a good sleep because last night I didn't, and then I was like, but the best thing was I had planned so well for this workshop because I was carrying my healthy snacks. So I had like this box of nuts, I had fruit, I had electrolytes for me so that whenever I'm feeling tired I can have it, and that really helped because otherwise I would have ended up munching a lot of sugar because there was a lot of sugar available in the room. But thankfully I didn't do that, and also I made sure that I was hydrated, and which actually helps a lot because otherwise by end of the day you feel like you're just gonna faint. But I think my makeup is off. I'm gonna wash my face and then we will sleep, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. 8:05, so let's call our Uber. We'll reach early so that if we want to pick something up to eat, we can pick up. I was thinking of walking because it's not that far, but then I'm wearing complete white. I don't trust myself, so we gotta take a cab. Hopefully today will go well as well, and then we'll be done with the workshop. Let's go.
Paneer makhani. There's a beef stuff, bibi masala, bibi veg, pulao, and we have a gobi koliwada. There is also paneer from Nagpur. Here we have veg tiki, different kind of chutneys as well.
Because it was our last night here, we decided to spend some time exploring the city. I think the best part of the evening wasn't the city itself, but the conversation. From last few weeks, we were like cribbing and just talking about how consulting can be demanding and intense. But today, we were talking about how grateful we are for this job.
We are back home after 2 days of not back home. Actually, we're back to hotel room. I think it's already 11. Last night I just crashed out because I didn't crash out. Okay, I was just in my bed but scrolling non-stop. Today my flight is a little late in the evening. I have some time to just go around and explore the city, but I have to check out from this hotel, so I need to pack right now, and I'm not really looking forward to it because I don't know how I'm gonna pack so much stuff in my small little suitcase. But yeah, let's quickly pack. Then I have to do some walks. I'm thinking I'll go to a cute cafe somewhere in the old town and then sit and walk from there and then explore the town a little bit. So let's go. I am done with my all packing. I'm really hungry now, so let's check out and then go to some place to have some yummy brunch. This was banana bread. The way it was presented, oh my god, it looked like art. I didn't feel like eating it at all, but it actually tasted quite good. So I was really happy with this find. It's actually quite cold and I am shivering. I've got my coffee. People are out here just sitting, working, enjoy their place. Such a cute little town. Even the Costa coffee is so cute here. I think Old Town is full of like a colorful buildings. And I'm sure there must be history behind, but now it's really cold and I think I probably need to visit some museum or some closed space. So I think the nearest museum is 25-minute walk from this place, and I think I'm gonna walk instead of taking a cab. These are the views I'm getting on my walk. You can see behind me. And with that, it was time to go to the airport and fly back to London. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. If you did, then do subscribe to my channel and give this video a hype, and I will see you in the next vlog.